chocolate lovers, welcome back to Lemon Cone. Today we are making the most viral sensation on social media, the chocolate dream cake. This decadent dessert features fine irresistible layers that will make any chocolate lover's dream come true. So let's dive right in. We'll start by baking the first layer of our cake. If you're short on time, you can always grab a ready-made cake from your local bakery. In a mixing bowl, sift all-purpose flour, cocoa powder, baking powder, baking soda, now add salt, powdered sugar, and instant coffee powder for extra kick of flavor. Mix it all well. Now it's time to add the wet ingredients. Add oil, making sure it has no strong smell or flavor. Now add milk. It should be on room temperature. Yogurt. Beat all the ingredients until well combined. Then add 1 cup of hot water carefully. Pour the batter into a greased 8-inch pan. Bake it in a preheated oven at 175 degrees Celsius for 35 to 40 minutes. And also don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more delicious recipes. Use this keyword to check if it's done. So, our is already done. Let the cake cool at room temperature. While our cake is cooling, let's prepare the chocolate ganache. Take warm whipping cream, pour it over dark chocolate chunks. Let it sit for a few minutes, then stir until smooth. Our ganache is ready. Take 1 cup whipping cream, it is sweetened. And then beat until it forms soft peaks. Add 4 to 5 tablespoons of our prepared ganache and continue to beat until stiff peaks form. Demold the cake. We are serving this in a tin box, but you can use any bowl too. I am trimming the cake to fit it in the tin, so I'm just doing like this, putting on the cake and lightly press it, and then you'll get the perfect shape. Spread a generous layer of chocolate mousse on the cake and level it and let it set in the freezer for 5 minutes. Time to pour the chocolate ganache over it. This layer is key to making it irresistibly delicious. Set it in the freezer for another 15 minutes. Now for the fourth and most exciting layer, the chocolate shell. Melt 1 cup of chocolate. Usually milk chocolate is used for this layer, but we are using dark chocolate. Add some oil. Then pour it over the ganache. Spread it gently and let it set for an hour. This cake is best served cold. For the final and fifth layer, sprinkle some cocoa powder on top. My mouth is already watering. The best part, breaking the top and diving into this chocolate paradise. It's heavenly delicious. If you love this recipe, please like, share, and leave your feedback in the comments below. Until next time, keep baking, keep smiling.